Sealed 4-inch round stop turn and tail light may be used on both curbside and roadside of vehicle or trailer. Polycarbonate lens is welded to housing to form single unit. 426 lights require mounting grommet and 3-wire plug to complete installation. See 426A turn signal and 415 backup light for companion models. Peterson Manufacturing Red 4-inch round stop turn and tail light features a sealed, 4-inch round stop, turn, and tail light. It may be used on both the curbside and roadside of vehicles or trailers. The polycarbonate lens is welded to the housing to form a single unit. 426 lights require a mounting grommet and 3-wire plug to complete installation. All 426 lights meet ECE requirements. See 426A turn signal and 415 backup light for companion models. The 12-volt lamps have been designed with a dual-filament, 2.1, 0.59 amp, 32/3 CP bulb. 0.426. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly as advertised. Replaced a light on a 14-year-old RV. Was skeptical it would be an exact fit since a lot of manufacturers have traded quality and consistency for quantity and bigger profit. Pleasantly surprised with a perfect replacement at a decent price.